Hi, welcome to my blog. So this is a grade 4 PE and Health. So before we start, let us identify if the statement is fact or bluff. On number 1, every kid in the world has the right to get enough good food to eat. Is it fact or bluff? Okay, so let us check. Is it this is fact? So for the number 2, pizza, chips, and candy are the best foods to eat most of the time. Is it fact or bluff? Okay, the answer is bluff. For the number 3, washing your hands before eating is part of food safety. Is it fact or bluff? Fact. For number 4, eating a lot of fruits and vegetables gives you energy to run fast. Is it fact or bluff? Fact. For number 5, you don't have to wash an apple if you're going to peel it. Is it fact or bluff? Okay, bluff. If you could, if you could have a superpower to help you learn, run, and grow, what would it be? Well, you already have it. It's called nutrition. Today, we will learn how to power up by choosing safety and healthy food. Your right to power up. We talk about rights. Your rights to food means you have the rights to nutrition. Grown up must make sure you have food to keep you healthy, but you must choose to eat it. The word nutrition means the process of getting the food necessary for health and growth. Today, we're going to talk about something super important, eating safety and healthy food. But first, let me ask you, have you ever felt really strong and full of energy after eating a good meal? That's because your body got the right kind of fuel. Just like a car needs clean gas to run, our bodies needs clean, healthy food to grow and stay strong. What is safe and healthy food? Safe food means it's clean and free from germs or harmful chemicals. That's why we wash fruits and vegetables before eating them and make sure our food is cooked properly. Healthy food gives us the nutrients we need, like vitamins, minerals, protein, and energy. This comes from fruits, vegetables, rice, fish, eggs, milk, and more. Eating junk food like chips and soda all the time must taste good, but it doesn't help our bodies grow strong. It can even make us feel tired or sick. Did you know that every child, including you, has a right to food? That means you have the right to eat food that helps you grow healthy and strong. You have the right to food that is safe, clean, and enough for your body. You have the right to learn about good nutrition so you can make sure smart choices. This right is part of something called right of the child, which says that all children should be taken care of, protected, and given what they need to lead good life, and that includes healthy food. Why is it important? When you eat healthy food, your brain works better, so you can do well in school. Your body becomes stronger, so you can play, run, and have fun. You don't get sick easily because your immune system becomes powerful. What can you do? Eat more fruits and vegetables every day. Drink clean water instead of sugary drinks. Wash your hands before eating. Remind your family to cook food properly and store it safely. Be thankful for the food that you have. Not all the children get enough to eat. Do you not know that your bodies are temples of the Holy Spirit who is in you, whom you have received from God? Therefore honor God with your bodies. Okay. So let before we end, let us answer the following five statements. If it's fact or bluff. But before we end this video or lesson, let me remind you, do not forget to like, share, and comment your name of your school. Thank you and goodbye.